Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain why France is in debt. France's national debt has seen substantial growth, driven by several factors. A primary cause is the country's extensive social welfare system, which requires significant government expenditure. Additionally, periods of economic stagnation and global financial crises have reduced tax revenues and increased the need for borrowing. Understanding these elements helps clarify the current fiscal situation. A major contributor to France's debt is its comprehensive social welfare model, which includes healthcare, education, and unemployment benefits. These programs are vital but come with a high price tag. Furthermore, a large public sector workforce adds to ongoing government expenses. When tax collections don't keep pace with these substantial outlays, the government often resorts to borrowing, increasing the national debt. Economic performance plays a crucial role in national debt levels. When France experiences periods of low economic growth, tax revenues naturally decline, making it harder to fund public services without borrowing. Global financial crises also force governments to spend more on stimulus and support, further increasing debt. Moreover, the interest paid on existing debt becomes a significant and recurring expense, compounding the problem. Addressing national debt involves a combination of strategies. Governments often implement fiscal reforms aimed at controlling public spending and improving efficiency. Encouraging robust economic growth is also key, as it leads to higher tax revenues and a stronger financial position. For those looking to manage their own budgets and time, check the description for a link to leak-proof containers that make meal prep easy, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.